Sometimes we use our participles as an adjectives. For example, I watched an interesting film last night. In this, interesting is not using like a present continuous tense. Interesting is actually a participle that is working as an adjective. There was broken glass all over the floor. In this, broken is a participle that is connected with the adjective. Now we will discuss compound adjectives. Compound adjectives are made up of two or more words that are often joined by a hyphen. For example, we have kind hyphen hearted. It's actually a compound word, compound adjective. Bottle green, bottle and green both are adjective if we see them separately, but if we join them with a hyphen it will become a compound adjective. Another, we have a type of comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective, we have total 3 degrees of adjectives for the comparison. First degree we have positive, second we have comparative, and the third one we have superlative. Examples are we have 3 type of adjectives: regular adjective, irregular adjective, and adjective with more than 2 syllables. Regular adjective are same as in positive adjective, it will become larger and largest. For example, we have positive large, comparative is larger, and the superlative degree is largest. Apart from regular adjective, if we see the irregular adjectives, in this we have positive degree is good, the comparative degree will be better, and the superlative degree will be worst. Adjective with more than 2 syllables, it means the positive degree is intelligent, comparative degree is more intelligent, and the superlative degree is most intelligent. It means more intelligent and most intelligent are compound words that they have 2 syllables. After the order of comparison of adjectives, we will discuss about the order of adjectives. Why we need to use the order of adjectives? Because sometimes a noun is qualified by more than one adjective. In that case, we have to place a adjective in a certain order or in a sequence. Usually we follow the following sequence. We have group and we have examples. So if I discuss about the group, there is a sequence from ascending to descending. First one we have opinion, second size, third is other qualities, fourth one we have age, fifth one color, sixth origin, seventh material, eighth type, and the ninth one we have at the last we will put about the purpose. So the first example we have perfect. If I talk about the opinion of adjective, so the example we have perfect, nice, horrible, ordinary. If I talk about the second sequence, that is size, in this type of we have examples large, vast, big, long, spacious. Third we have other qualities. In this type we have the examples fast, important, angry, famous. Fourth is age. The examples are old, ancient, new, recent. Fifth color, for example white, black, green, blue. Sixth is origin, from where it belongs to, Pakistani, Japanese, Malaysian, Indian, whatever. Sixth one we have material, made up of. Which material our noun is made up of? That is steel, iron, stone, plastic, paper, glass, whatever. Eighth one we have type, what kind of the gadget. For example, it's an electronic gadget, it's a manual gadget, or a political statement, or a train journey. And the last one we have for what purpose it is used for. For example, a sports car, bath towel, face wash, restrooms, picture frame.